Alrighty, checking out this hotel. It is August 8th, noon. We didn't get a load today. Today's Friday. We dropped off yesterday. We booked a load for tomorrow, going up to Washington for $2,700. It's like $2.35 a mile. But we have to run to Harbor Freight to grab a dolly and a box cutter. It's a white glove delivery, but we have to check out here. We're already an hour and 13 minutes past checkout, but we're leaving the Orleans. Gonna grab some food, run to Harbor Freight, and then grab the dolly, box cutter, and then we're gonna check into Silver Sevens Hotel. Because these guys were trying to charge $375 for an extra night, and I ain't paying that. So we got one for $96 over there, which is like 4 miles away. But grab some food, load this up in the truck, pray the AC's working, and run to Harbor Freight, grab that, get ready for tomorrow, and then shoot up to Seattle. One of my other drivers is headed to Seattle as well with the load. Leaving from Chicago Heights for $3,700, like $1.70 a mile, something like that. So we're gonna link up with him up there. So get with us. This is what is this? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Day 6. Day 6. Alright, we'll get back with y'all when we grab some grub. What are you thinking for food? This place is jumping, bro. Yeah. I don't know what we're gonna end up getting. We had the oyster bar yesterday. It was alright, it wasn't crazy. I don't know where the other restaurants are though. Don't know. Big Al's Oyster Bar. I feel like we passed the restaurants already. Oh yeah, over there, the Asian cuisine. Try that out. This place is decent. That's where we ate yesterday, Big Al's Oyster Bar. Won a couple $100 on Baccarat. Alright. The camera definitely didn't eat before we did. We just got done eating. It's a decent spot, a little cafe spot. I think the hotel does their room service and breakfast from that hotel every morning, so it was decent. I think we're going to, well, I'm definitely going to the bathroom. Tavy already went to the bathroom. He couldn't even wait. But we're gonna use the restroom, load up. We got to run to Harbor Freight. There's one like within a mile from here. Grab a dolly from there, and then probably head to our next hotel. But we can't check in until 3, so we got a little bit of time to spare, about an hour and a half, and we'll be at our next hotel. We'll pick up tomorrow around noon or so. But that's the that is the plan as of now. So gonna do that. And I'll probably get back with y'all when we get to Harbor Freight or when we get into the truck. So yeah, see y'all then. Ooh wee, bag heavy yeah, boy. Finally getting back to the truck. It's 110 degrees out. And I ain't trying to be here no more. It's too hot. Too hot to try. We're going a mile down the road to the Harbor Freight. So that pre-trip gonna have to wait. Cause we baking like chickens in here. Man. See hot, dang! I need some juice for the juice. It's hot. Hot, hot.
Yeah, it is.
Super expeditiously hot. But yeah, we're gonna run to Harbor Freight, grab this dolly and box cutter. Then we're gonna go to, what's the hotel called?
7 something.
Silver Sevens Hotel and Casino. And then we will get back with y'all, man. I'll take y'all in the Harbor Freight. We ain't doing nothing but buying a dolly and a box cutter, but
How we turn this on?
a little bit of content. I'll hit this right here.
Oh, sure.
Alright. We catch y'all over there. Hopefully we won't die on the way there. A heat stroke, but see y'all there. Pulling into Harbor Freight. If I were a dolly, where would I be? Over here. How much? What's the ticket? You see a price?
Oh, right here, 50 bucks, 60 bucks.
Oh, It's the best one.
This one is 130.
Oh, no, we don't need that. But for 50 bucks. How much the red one? 67. Oh, I see it right here. Yeah, we're good to go. We got the dolly. We just need the box cutter. If I were a box cutter, where would I be? Oh, I seen what you're looking at. I thought it was too. Excuse me, do you know where your box cutters would be?
Aisle 8 in measure.
Hey, thank you. Go ahead. Box cutter.
There we go. Perfect.
Grab one of these. Alright, we're good to go. Got the dolly, got the box cutter with extra blades. How much was this? $8, so we're at 60, 70, probably like $90, $85, $90. Not too bad.
See you soon, alright?
Alrighty. That was quick. Quick and easy. Less than 5 minutes. Got the box cutter, got the dolly. $83.43. I negotiated this. He's already paying over $2 a mile. It was paying $2,600. I just asked if they could do an extra $100 to cover this. I don't know how much it was going to be, but I ended up covering it. So 2,700 bucks. Actually, I'll show you it. This will be the first time I've showed any of the loads. We got 3 booked, as you can see. Not all the rates are what I booked them at. This is the one where go from North Las Vegas to Tulip, or whatever it's called, Washington. One at 2,600, posted for 2,600 at $2.26 a mile, 26 cents a mile. We got it for 2,700 to cover the dolly and box cutter. So yeah, not bad. Not a bad trip at all. Pick up tomorrow and drops off Monday. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday morning, 2,700 bucks for 2.5 days of work, 2 days of work, something like that. You just throw that thing up there. Appreciate it. I guess so. You never know. Never know, never know. Keep my truck locked, you heard? Yes, Lord. Alright. Headed to the hotel. Check-in's at 3. It's currently 2:30, so have a couple minutes to just chill out when we get parked up, and then we'll head to the room. Show y'all from there. We about to hit the strip in the box club, in the box truck. There's the Palms, Gold Coast, Rio. I think you've got Trump Tower to the left. I don't know. We're just going with the flow. We're going to the middle of the hot of Las Vegas in the box truck. These hotels look crazy. There's Caesar's Palace. I want to say everything's on the left as far as like casinos, hotels, and stuff to do. I'm assuming everything over on the right is like business companies. Yeah. Big chillin' in Vegas. We'll hit y'all when we get to the hotel. Yeah, we're in the mix for real. Flamingo, we just passed Caesars, Cromwell, Horseshoe, got Trump Tower back there, Encore, the Wynn. This is so dope. It's like eye-opening, especially coming from like a smaller city. You've seen all of Dubuque's population in 2 blocks. We're staying at Silver Sevens, right?
Yeah.
I think it's like a block away from the Strip. I've been to Vegas 3 times, never been to the Strip. I'm assuming we just passed it because that place was crowded.
The Sphere.
Yeah, there's the Sphere right there, boy. Dang. That's a lot bigger than I thought it was in person.
Damn.
They had a UFC event in that thing, bro. That's what we should look up. What it's Saturday. If there's a car and it's here, I'll grab tickets to it tonight. For real. Man. Someday we'll be in a penthouse in a big city, chilling. Just gotta put that work in right now. Get to it. And get to it. Yeah. Oh, I see Silver Sevens right there. You see it?
Oh,
Straight
wow.
ahead. It's a little out the way, but nothing a $10 Uber can't get us back to. But I'm not stepping out till tonight, bro. It's too hot. Way too hot. But we'll see y'all when we get checked in. You locked it?
Yeah.
All parked up. Into the next hotel. This one's a little tucked out of the way, but like I said, it was only 96 bucks versus 375, so. And we're closer to the strip with this one than we were the last one. The last one was just better views, I guess. This one's not as high, but I ain't complaining. We'll go in here, get checked in, show y'all the room. Looking for 30. Oh, we're going the wrong way. I think. Didn't it say 34 this way? Oh, unless it's all the way at the. Am I tripping? 32. 34. What I was gonna say. I thought it didn't have a door at first. Alright. Not the craziest view. I know what we doing. All the way down there. Not bad though. Nothing crazy.
We need something so bad laid up right here. What?
What do you say? We need a smut.
No, for real.
But we checked in. Probably gonna take a nap. Wait till it cools off. Hit the strip later tonight. See y'all when we get out there. All right, 7:49. This is just a tour of the casino in our hotel. Definitely not as big as the Orleans, but they were trying to charge me $375 for one night. This place is 96 bucks, so we got an Uber on the way here. Picking up in 3 minutes. So, but yeah, this is just a little tour. Not much. It's all slots. They don't even have tables in here. Like, it's all digital. As you can see, digital craps, everything. But we made a little money. Gambling's not really something that I want to promote too much, just because I know I've been in my dark places with this, so I'm not really trying to put that out there in the world, but we did a little bit of it. But yeah, this is where we're at. Decent little spot. Not bad at all. But we're going to what's called Crab and Spice.
Yeah.
Crab and Spice. They got some unlimited seafood boils, I think. So we're about to go check that out. We won enough, or I won enough for dinner tonight, so same as last night. So we eat good. And yeah, we'll definitely let y'all see what we get into tonight. We might hit the strip too. It's cooled way down out here.
Definitely did.
It's probably still like what, 100? That's Gilbert. Yeah, bro, it's 102 degrees.
Damn.
It doesn't feel like it though.
It don't.
It's just dry heat. Like if it was 102 in Iowa, you would be miserable. This isn't bad though. But yeah, we're about to hop in this Uber and we'll get back with y'all when we get to Crab and Spice. All right, we are at crab and spice, all you can eat. You probably won't be able to hear us, so this might just end up being B-roll or just footage without audio, music overlay or something, because it's loud as hell in here. But here's the rules: 90 minutes time limit on all you can eat. Any leftovers, $20. Good. How are you?
Good. Are we gonna do the all you can eat menu or the a la carte menu?
All you can eat. Yeah.
So I'm gonna ask you one by one. You're gonna create your own bag, okay?
Okay.
Is this free on the first order?
Yeah. On your first order, you'll get a cluster of snow crab each bag. You're gonna get.
Oh.
And after that, if you want another cluster, it's $12. Or if you want a free to unlimited snow crab, just add $18 one-time charge. Every round, you'll get a pound of snow crab leg.
Oh, every round you get a oh.
If you want
Snap.
more.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay, so you can pick 4 items on top maximum. So, for example, you don't like crawfish, you can just double up the shrimp for the other items.
Got you.
And then you choose your sauce here. They're all original, no spice at all, unless you put mild, medium, or spicy.
Okay.
And then you can pick maximum of 3 items here at the bottom.
Okay.
You can change your add-ons every round. You can change your sauce every round.
Okay.
All right, let's start.
I'll do the headless shrimp,
Add the shrimp,
crawfish, mussels,
one scallop too.
and scallops. Yes.
And the flavor of the sauce,
I'll do the all-in,
all-in, spice level,
original,
mild, medium, or spicy.
mild.
Mild. Add-ons,
I will do quail eggs,
quail eggs,
sausage, and potatoes.
potatoes. How about you?
Dr. Lee do the same thing besides, you said potatoes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No potatoes.
Potatoes,
Just sausage and quail eggs.
sausage. I'll double the sausage, okay?
All right.
You want some lemons?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Can I do a Diet Pepsi or Diet Coke?
Diet Coke? Yeah.
Yeah.
How about you?
Dr. Pepper?
Dr. Pepper.
Thank you, sir. Sheesh. And a free. Oh. Could ask about those crab legs. I need them crab legs, good. We finna get our crab legs.
You have to finish your food, bro.
Yeah. Or you, it's a $20 charge. Hell yeah. Alright, get back to y'all when we get the food, baby. We going to town, boy. Tyrell, yep. Good, how you doing?
So like all like People magazine, like everything's like jumping off anywhere in the strip.
Yeah, wherever you recommend, bro. It's our first time there, so like if there's a good starting point to like see everything, I don't know where that would be, but
There's so much shit over there, don't really matter.
facts.
Yeah. It's gonna start.
Alright, we just got dropped off at the Uber. Las Vegas Boulevard, baby. It's the strip, man. What you think? I ain't never been here. He said go left. Let's go left. See what's down here. We got the Hard Rock. Brew Dog. This is kind of crazy. I want to go to that place that has like that tunnel. It's like the whole top is like all like LED screens. Look, there you go, Tavy. Hell no.
Hell yeah.
Let me see what you got. Oh, I'm crying. Told you, it's a different beast out here. Look, she just handing them out, bro.
Oh, you got more.
Park MGM. Wow, we're gonna have to blur that out. We're gonna have to blur that out.
I put them in my pocket.
Crazy. Got a lot of walking to do. Take y'all with us though. I don't even know where to go, what to do. We gotta get a snap. We'll be alright.
strip club to the top of this bars, bro. As long as you're buying drinks, you can hang out, chill, tell
You
women
said a
you're
titty
married.
bar?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah, you tell the ladies you're married, don't stay away. Now your titties are
Free limo.
You guys are buying drinks.
Titty bar, folks.
Yeah, so look, with the promotion, you don't pay the cover, you don't pay the driver. You will pay for your first 2 drinks when you're taking the club driver that called you. Not these guys in the alleys and shit. The driver is coming from the club to call you to come pick you up for free. They get $18 an hour till 4. So on the ride there, tell them what time you guys want to get picked up for your free ride back. As long as you're leaving before 4, like I said, you got the free ride out.
Someone gave it in.
Man, that is just propaganda.
You talking about propaganda?
Look, what you do with those, you collect those, right? Yeah. So when you call me for the titty bar for titty time, you guys can play some bitch.
Talking about titty time.
Yeah. So look, you see on the card what the name is, right?
Yeah.
It says TMT. I'm Titty Man Tommy. So when you guys are ready, bro, you wanna call me, all right?
I got you.
So look, it's not a strip club. When the girls walk up, you're allowed to tell them no. You'll never get kicked out as long as you got drinks and food in front of you. Yeah. They only make money on that at the titty bars. Strip clubs, bro, they want you to spend money on girls.
Right.
I got strip clubs, bro, but fuck that, man. I'm like y'all, man. I'm just trying to spectate, have a good drink or 2. You know what I mean? And get out this motherfucker. Let them flirt with you for free, because they will. Yeah. And they titties are out at the top of this bar, all right?
Yeah.
So go have some fun type shit. I'm not like these guys in the nightclub gear and the pimp suits. You want to do business with me? My number's been the same since 2002. When you call me, I'll send you the other shit that I do. Don't call me for drugs, prostitutes, and timeshares. Those are the 3 things I won't fuck with out here.
I bet.
Anything else? You want to go shoot some guns, fucking ATVs, drive a monster truck, fucking NASCAR speedway? You call me for everything like that. I got you.
All right, Titty Man. Got you. This is a different beast, folks. This is a different Mons. He talking about Titty Man Tony. I ain't going to that shit. He got lady boys in his club. I got that whole interaction. That's crazy. Bro, it would take you a whole week to do everything here. Lululemon, Abercrombie and Finch, Pandora. We go Trump Tower down there. Marriott.
What do you get for
Sheesh. Aaliyah Boston. He said I had the same number since 2002. Look, there go Gucci. Dolce and Gabbana. I gotta stop in there. Dang. Bubble Gump Shrimp. That's off Forrest Gump. Yeah, that's Forrest Gump. Oh, it's tweaking. Oh, he's tweaking. Oh, it's tweaking. Polo Towers.
I could be doing that right there. Taking her picture.
Bro, look at these. This is crazy. Crazy work. What is that? That's a Rolls or that's a Bentley? Can't see. That's a Rolls, yeah. No, that's a Bentley. That's the same one we seen at
That's a double R.
Oh, is it? Yeah, he had a salesman pitch for sure. He said drugs, prostitution, or something. Somebody does. That's crazy. I'm straight.
Gonna leave with something you can't get rid of that.
Oh, you knocked out. At least it's cool out. Tom Ford, Fendi. This is crazy. For real. That's a mini Eiffel Tower. Prada. Oh, I thought that was a real girl up there. You see her? Man. Bubble gump shrimp. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I don't even know what to do. We could do whatever. I think we gotta walk upstairs to get over. And then walk back down, yeah. Crazy amount of people. Oh, thank you. Keep slapping that thing. I don't want none of that. You say you gonna leave with something you can't get rid of.
Smoke weed every day.
Oh, thanks.
Alright, got some. Here you go, booty and alcohol. Free lap days Friday. Free lap days Friday. Big broker giving out free lap days. All 600 pounds on. Bitch made it through the truck. Bitch made it through the truck scale. So let's go up and go and play that tail. Right here. That's all over the place.
Hell
Just
no.
like you guys like it.
He's talking about just like you guys like it.
Make this name and shout before you have. See, they got me. Look up. This thing is out. Escalade right there, guys. You don't pay me, you pay the guy.
I ain't paying nobody.
What's the chances you guys fucking up $40? $40. Why not fucking up at the strip?
Nah, you gonna leave with something you can't get rid of.
Titties and bill, whiskey and ass. Right living the fashion.
We've been doing this shit for years.
All right, guys. Let's go make Coochie great again. Ain't no sin to go where the tennis begin, and the nights never end. They ain't got to pay no taxes on them tips, so they're really taking them hips. Thanks to the president, money well spent. You know he likes stuff.
That's a salesman, bro. He said she made it through the truck scale. All 600 pounds of her. Oh, look at the water fountain. Sheesh, we need to cross the street. Look at him. Yeah, you will. Jaywalking for sure. Where else but Vegas? better than the last one. Bro, it cools down so much with the water in the air. You feel that? I feel good. I'm gonna order the Uber. 5 minutes. Yeah, I only got 5% left, so. Water feel good, boy. Three minutes. We gotta finish these before he gets here. This song is way better. No comment.
They don't want. I think I see one on my car.
Alrighty, we just got back from the strip. It's 1 a.m. Gonna head to bed. We got to pick up from, it's first come first serve until 4 p.m. tomorrow, but we're gonna try to get there around noon and then head to Seattle, but it's late. We're gonna call it a night. This is day 6 going into day 7. So first got on the road on Sunday a week ago. Currently, no, this is day 6. Yeah, it's day 5 going into day 6. Tomorrow, Sunday will be day 7. So, but we will we'll catch y'all in the morning for pickup and hop on the road.